When I started 2024, my life was filled with doubts. Despite working hard for many years, I wasn't seeing the progress I wanted. I would start new activities with enthusiasm, but couldn't continue them for long because of procrastination. At work, I gave my best, but I struggled with controlling my emotions. If someone said something hurtful, I would take it personally and often respond impulsively in front of my boss, seniors, or family members. Even with all my hard work, the results were not satisfying, especially in terms of financial stability. In 2018, I started reading books. I managed to finish 8, 10 books, but my habit became irregular due to procrastination, work pressure, and the stress of working in a private company with a demanding culture. One day, I saw an ad for the Read of Success event conducted by Dr. Manjunath on January 9th, 2024. I attended the 6-day workshop, and during it, Dr. Manjunath introduced a subscription based program called the Diamond Membership, valid for a year. I was impressed by his memory techniques, like remembering 30 digits in one go. Despite the high fee, which was a big challenge for me, I decided to register for the Diamond Membership. I wanted to learn how to read faster and complete one book every week. Although I was scared and uncertain about what the program would bring, I somehow found the courage to subscribe. This marked the beginning of a transformative journey for me.
In February 2024, I started my journey with the 21 days book reading challenge. On the last day, known as the Mega Day Challenge, I completed an entire map of it, and this accomplished felt like my first real victory. Encouraged by the success, and I set a new goal, a 52 books plan to read one book every week. And to celebrate this milestone, I took my family out for lunch, and for the first time, making it a memorable moment for all of us. And this was the beginning of a consistent and fulfilling habit. And during this entire journey of fast reading, I realized it. I finished a book in 40 minutes. Comprehensive is not like the 100%, but 60 to 70%. And but I finished the book and make the mind map and completed all the activities. Really, it was life-changing event for me. In March 2024, I took on the 28 days gratitude challenge. It was an amazing journey that shifted my focus from what I lacked in life to appreciating all that I already had. Each day I listed 10 things, just shifted 10 things I was gratitude for. Initially, it was difficult, but I spent the first 10 days just sitting in my room where I am sitting, struggling to find enough things to be thankful for. However, as I committed or as I continued, I realized how much abundance and I had been overlooking in my life. These 28 days completely transformed my perspective. I began to see and value the blessings around me. This newfound mindset brought positivity and joy into my daily life. So it was amazing. I started many things to be present. Like I started to counting the bite, taking food, and even I want started to gratitude before taking food, breakfast, like thanks for all the material, non-material things who are part of this breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I also started to affirmation to listening affirmation every day. And I also started to listen my own voice affirmation, and also started the stringent secret in the world audio every day. And there are lot of changes even for removing stress or to maintain in my present in during my lunch when I go to walk, and I started to count my steps, and it changed, it shifted my mindset completely. So now I'm moving to my next month achievement. In April 2024, I took on the 21 day challenge called the Speak Like a CEO. Before starting this challenge, I was completely introverted and hesitate to express myself. Through this program, I learned the true importance of communication, I realized that effective communication is not just about speaking, but also about listening and being mindful for non-verbal cues. Like the challenge taught me valuable aspect of the communication, including visuals, maintaining appropriate presence, making eye contact, smile, and using confidence, posture, and hand gesture. Verbal skills, avoiding filter, repetitive words, using qualifier effectively, and vocal elements, mastering pitch, pace, power, and pause to secret impact. One of the most transformative exercise was impromptu speaking for the with the PrEP method. PrEP method was P stand for topic, point we have to start, then region, and E is the example of a story related to it, and come back to summarize on the point. These things really changed my perception about the communication. And initially, I hesitated and lacked confidence. But over time, I overcome my fear and become more confident or more comfortable. A special thanks to Richa Agrawal ma'am for her unwavering dedication and guidance. She identified my areas of improvement and constantly encouraged me to grow. This challenge was a turning point in my journey toward becoming an effective communicator. I am not saying that I am perfect now in communication, but I improved a lot. Leadership journey is not about the perfection, it's about the action and progress. Now move to in month May 2024, I took on the 21-day book publishing challenge. Unlike the previous challenge, this one was particularly difficult for me. Until now, I had enjoyed each challenge, but this time I faced several hurdles. I was passionate about publishing my book, but had to deal with the daunting task of selecting a publisher or overcoming financial constraints. To move forward, I even took out a loan to fund the project. And the book was a culmination of my personal achievement in project management, a field I have been deeply involved in for years. My expertise in time management and balancing personal and professional responsibilities formed the foundation of the book, and I shared my experiences and practical tips that many successful leaders follow. And finally, I completed my book titled Life is a Project and You Are the PM of it. And PM indicates the project manager. And I was found of the result and believed it was must read for professionals seeking to enhance their life and career. The launch was a moment of pride and joy as the book was unveiled by the famous and popular actress Meenakshi Seshadri. And not only is the book now live, but it also achieved the milestone of becoming Amazon #1. And this challenge taught me the value of persistence and resilience, making it one of the most rewarding experience of my life. In the month of June, it was I began 21-day authority building challenge and took my first step into the world of social media. My journey started with YouTube, and where I recorded my first video and shared it with community groups and on the platform itself. This experience sparked inspiration and ignited a passion within me. This I realized that I could share my message with a larger audience through YouTube while also improving my skills in communication, video editing, and social media management. Motivated by this idea, I committed to recording, editing, and posting a video daily. As time went on, I noticed that editing was taking up significant portion of my time, leaving me less time for content creation, and recording. To address this, I hired someone to handle the editing process. Initially, 3 months I handled myself, and afterward, I took it. This allowed me to focus more on delivery quality content and growing my presence on the platform, and by end of December 2024 I had posted more than 340 videos on YouTube starting from 4th June 2024. Now, what made this journey even more incredible was that before this, I didn't know anything about YouTube except how to watch video. I generally used YouTube for watching video. I never made the channel. This transformation not only built my authority but also equipped me with valuable skills and sense of accomplishments. In June 2024, I continued my morning routine with CBL challenge based learning. We called it community based learning, focusing on the book reading and practicing speaking using all the techniques I had learned from the speaking like a CEO challenge. Also remained consistent in posting one video daily on YouTube. And during this time, a panel challenge unfolded in my personal life. My wife was pregnant, and the doctor had set the delivery date of June 26. Managing both personal and professional responsibilities was challenging, but I stayed committed on the delivery date, and God blessed us with a baby boy. And I also have a 6-year-old daughter and who goes to school in first standard. Despite these responsibilities, I never said I don't have time. Even while at hospital, I recorded and edited videos every day without missing a single. This consistency was a reflection of my determination. In the same month, I attended a seminar conducted by Siddharth Rajasekhar and called it SIDS and Blair Singer. During the event, I registered the training program. While filling out the form, I felt the same fear and excitement I had experienced in January when joining the Diamond membership. This program was double the cost, but I remained positive and passionate about learning. Finally, I registered the TTT program, and it was transformative learning and listening to Blair Singer and SIDS took my journey at the next level. Blair Singer in particular left a lasting impact on me with his energy, wisdom, and inspiring approach. This month became a turning point, blending personal joy and professional growth. In July, I attended the Brain Accelerator Summit in July 28 at the Novotel Hotel in Bangalore. This event was particularly especially because it marked the official launch for first cover of my books and my colleagues in the batch in the Diamond members. And it marked life is a project and you are the PM of it. The summit was incredible experience and filled with various sub events and a level of energy I had never encountered before. One of most memorable moment of the event was when I received the Diamond Pro Award. I'll show you, it is also with me here. You can see it. This is Diamond Pro Award and I got it that time and in presence of an award for my outstanding performance. Standing on stage in front of around 200 people was a truly proud moment for me, especially since it was the first time I had received an award on the stage since my 12th standard. What made the event even more remarkable was meeting people I had only interacted with virtually through the CBL community. Seeing them person was a completely different experience, and many of them were vastly different from their online personas and the physical interactions. Added a new layer of connection and understanding. This summit was a milestone in my journey, and blending personal achievements with professional recognition and leaving me inspired and energized for the future. So it is amazing journey for me. August 2004 was another amazing month in my journey. From August 1st to 4th, I attended the Train the Trainer physical program at the Hotel Feather in Chennai, India. This eye-opening seminar brought together around 300 students, all eager to learn and grow. The event was led by the incredible Blair Singer and with contributions and inspiring success stories shared by Siddharth Rajsekhar and Thaddeus Lawrence and Shureen Jaishekhar. Shureen is the founder of Success Gyan, and meeting these mentors in person was a life-changing experience, and Blair Singer in particular left a deep impression on me. His boundless energy, even at his age, was truly remarkable. He conducted the sessions from 8 a.m. in the morning and in up to 2 a.m. next day. You can understand after 12 p.m. and then up to 2 a.m. and demonstrating unparalleled dedication and commitment. Through this program, I learned a powerful lesson. Success doesn't come without hard work. To achieve greatness, you must give your full energy and consistent effort to serve others. It was inspiring to me and how these successful leaders, despite reaching great heights, and continue to put in the consistent effort to make a difference. This seminar not only expanded my knowledge but also reinforced my belief in the value of perseverance, passion, and continuous learning. It was a transformative experience that motivated me to push beyond my limit. In September 2024, two very special events brought joy to my life, my daughter's and my wife's birthday. Celebrating their special days made this month unforgettable and filled my heart with gratitude. At the end of month, from September 27th and 29th, I attended the Multi-Millionaire Mindset MMI seminar at the Hotel Sara Star in Mumbai. The seminar was extraordinary experience with around 800 participants sharing an electrifying energy. It was my first time attending such a large scale event, and I even stayed in dormitory, which added a unique dimension to the experience. This seminar was led by Thaddeus Lawrence, and whose teaching had a profound impact on me. He challenged my long held misconception about money and helped me develop a clearer, more empowered perspective on financial management. For the first time, I truly understood the importance of managing money wisely and began taking steps toward financial discipline and the better money habits. This experience opened my eyes to new possibilities and marked the beginning of a more structured approach to handling my finances. It was not just a seminar but a transformative journey that left me inspired to make positive changes in my life. In October 2024, I joined the Siddharth Rajsekhar Silver and Gold membership, which I received as a bonus during the TTT program. Siddharth Rajsekhar's own journey is truly inspiring. As a 12th standard dropout, he built an empire worth 100 crore, established a community of 30,000 people, and mentored over 100 students who went to earn crores annually. His story reinforced the belief that nothing is impossible if you have clarity, focus, and determination. One of his impactful quotes is version 1 is better than none. This mantra encountered me to take action without waiting for perfection. In October, I also learned how to use ChatGPT effectively for tasks like writing essays about myself, creating positive affirmations, achieving niche influence clarity, developing a structured business codex. Siddharth's technique expanded my understanding of tools and platforms that can help grow a business. Despite being a night owl, Siddharth's dedication to his community is unmatched. He conducted hackathons every Tuesday from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. next day and hosted the Inner Tea Circle or Inner Circle call on Thursday from 7:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Although these late night sessions disturbed my sleeping pattern, my completely usual sleeping schedule. I typical sleep by 10 p.m. They provided me the bigger vision for my life and career. This month, I also discovered Substack, a platform for creating and sharing content, which opened up new avenues for me to reach and engage my audience. Now come to in November 2024, I focused on expanding my knowledge and the presence on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook. Siddharth Arsekar introduced a powerful dashboard tool to organize and manage my business activities in one place. This tool introduced included or all the tasks to build influence across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Substack. I accepted the challenge and began acting posting on these platforms. I even uploaded some videos on Substack exploring us potential as a content sharing platform. And during this time, I also learned how to generate lead, record course, and upload them on LMS portal like the TagMango. On the significant milestones, this month was learning how to build websites. I purchased my first domain and created a website for myself and my community. And I linked the community domain to the TagMango LMS portal, streamlining the learning for my audience. Additionally, I took deep learning classes from TagMango, which enhanced my technical skills and understanding of platform features. Throughout the month, I continued posting videos consistently, staying committed to my journey of crafting journey, staying committed to my journey to creating and sharing impactful content. November was a month of growth as I explored new tools and platforms while building stronger foundations for my online presence. In December 2024, the final month of the year, I focused on some of the most impactful learnings and actions. We delved into setting up meta ads, implementing live automation, and mastering the art of webinar selling. These skills marked the culmination of all knowledge I had gained through the year. As a part of Freedom Finisher program, I completed a comprehensive execution process. This included filled out a dashboard for the Freedom Finisher application form and which showcased my achievements. The submission also required supporting evidence such as codex created using GPT for business, niche influence, and curriculum design, and lead generation, automation, and webinar set. Proof of course recordings, business setup, webinar links, and scheduled workshop. On the December 29, 2024, I proudly submitted my Freedom Finisher form, making a significant milestone in my journey. Along with this, I remembered a bigger mission to help 1 million mid career professionals who faced challenges similar to what I experienced. My goal is to guide them toward overcoming obstacles and achieving their full potential. December wasn't just the end of the year, it was the culmination of transformative journey and the beginning of a purposeful mission that will save the year to come. I want to share something important. While achieving all the milestones mentioned above, I was also working in a full time in a private MNC. Every achievement was accomplished after office hours. I ensured that my professional responsibilities were never compromised. In fact, during the first 6 months of 2024, I didn't take a single day off from work. Despite the demanding schedule, I consistently maintained my morning rituals, which kept me focused and energized. My routine includes waking up early, drinking a glass of lukewarm water, 40 minutes of exercise, 30 minutes of meditation, 30 minutes of book reading, and by sticking to these habits, I managed to lose 10 kg in just 3 months. Additionally, since March 2024, I have been fasting into 2 days a week without missing a single session throughout the year. I also read approximately 40 books, which played a significant role in my personal growth and knowledge expansion. These habits and routine become the foundation of my success, helping me balance my professional life with my personal transformation journey. For more amazing achievements, I am proud of is that I have been driving my car for the past 8 months without blowing the horn even once. This might seem like a small thing, but for me, it's a significant milestone. It taught me patience, mindfulness, and the importance of staying calm even in challenging situations on the road. This experience has been a lesson not only for me but also for those who honk unnecessary and frequently. It's reminder that we can drive responsibility and peacefully, contributing to a more harmonious environment. This journey is not the end, it's the beginning of a new chapter. I have so much to share about 2024 because it was truly a year of transformation and growth. The year gave me more than I could have ever imagined, filled with productivity, learning, and inspirations, goal oriented actions, and results. It was also a year of building meaningful networks and achieving milestones beyond what I had planned, and some moments were so extraordinary that couldn't have anticipated them when the year began. 2024 wasn't just a year, it was a life changing experience and set the foundation for an even brighter and more fulfilling future. The best is yet to come. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone and everything that played a role in my journey this year. I has been a transformative experience, and I am deeply thankful for both the material and non-material blessings that came my way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for your unconditional love and support, not just this year, but throughout my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for my wife for your endless love, patience, and unwavering support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to my daughter who brings joy, laughter, and playfulness into the life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the happiness that surrounded all my family members this year. This is thank you for my son. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to my teachers, mentors, and coaches for guiding me at every step and helping me grow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the universe for surrounding me with an abundance of opportunities, knowledge, and resources throughout the year. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to God for giving me year full of passion, learning, joy, opportunity, growth, and hope. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With immense gratitude, I look forward to continuing this beautiful journey and carrying these blessings into the future. Oh, come.